but they get less calls. That's why people, when they do like 6 or 7 pools, they never got a phone call back. They're like, oh, okay. Their go back, their time, their warranty is tremendously reduced. California will be the first state that they make it mandatory. It's the hardest state to work in. If I can cut down waste, acid, footprint, California will jump on it. We just got to have, 50, 60,000 pools in the ground in America. We're at 30. And now we did most of that in the last 6 months. But that's actually common in California. Water, ground saturation. The pool's moving. And pools shouldn't move. Not ever. What they're gonna learn is they don't need any of that easy thread. If you wanna use it, go ahead. Yeah. My product's still gonna be effective. Now white cement, I'm a fan of that. It just helps them a little bit. Yeah. But what does that do? It helps it harden quicker without sacrificing pigment. It's just make it harder. Yeah. Just white cement, Sensa.
What would the other option be, calcium?
Well, there's calcium's in the mix. They should never throw calcium out here because they'll burn it. Because that bowl is bigger than people think, man. You have a ton of water in that bowl.
How many gallons?
I could get exact, but I get a wheel real quick. I would say probably 18,000, maybe 20. So Foreman, see how he keeps filling the wall? Yeah. He's trying to get it where it's gummy to where he can get after it. Once the Hefe right here says it's go time, they're gonna get after it. That's when they're trying to close it. But when he says it's right at that turning point, they gotta get after it. Because right now it's a little too muddy. He just needs it to set for about 20, 30 minutes, and then they can get after it. Let me go check the hopper. That's what I was saying. No matter what they use, it's not gonna affect it. He's using plenty of product. He just doesn't need it out of his own pocket. 3, 4. So this was the last batch. Probably doing a half batch. They might just be doing a half batch because the hopper's still full. So he's probably doing a half a batch. Could be his last one right here. Then it's go time. You guys are really gonna see a difference if he starts washing.
I want to hear Pepe. I want to hear what he has to say about it.
Me too.
He's the guy,
Yeah.
This guy with the shovel in his hand, he's good.
That's where he should notice the most too. Look how even everything. You haven't even washed the wall yet. What do you think's gonna be underneath it when you wash it? Flawless. Like I said, this stuff speaks for itself. MicroGlass is a training process. You gotta change your ways, the way we're doing things. This, nobody does. But you're gonna see your grouping around your trim tile and your tile, watch where it moves. If he's a good trialer, which they usually put the best guy on the deck, right? I don't know if I would jump off. I don't know if I'd jump off a deck with spikes on. Come look at the first wash. First wash. He's almost done. He just washes that wall off. One more trial, he's done. Look how freaking level that is. Good for a meter tile, and he hasn't even hard trialed yet. First wash. If he washes one more time right now, he's done. Everything is, but they keep having to hard trial wash, hard trial wash, hard trial wash to get that fat to come out. But if he's doing this right here, watch where it meets your tile. Tomorrow when I acid wash, I won't lose any fallout up there. Because that's where we lose our fallout. That's where we get rock fallout. But after this second, his first hard trial right here, if he washes that wall right now, he's done. See how even everything is with the fat? One wash, look how even it is without that fat. Because it's already hard trialed for him. That's what they need to learn. It's gonna speed your process up for better results.
What did they say in terms of troweling? Are they noticing any difference?
They're just starting, right? I mean, the first trial doesn't mean they're just trying to get it. This is where we want to hear from them now. Yeah. When they start washing is where they're gonna go, what the hell? Way better. See how he's not getting a tremendous amount of fat to come out? Yeah. He's getting some, obviously. He's not getting as much as normal. The second wash, he's done. So freaking level.
Yes, it is.